We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
Hello everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious beef enchilada casserole, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Okay, here I'm showing you. I have some red enchilada sauce. I got 2 packages of mild taco, 30% less sodium seasoning. I have 3 pounds of ground meat. I'm going to only use like 2 pounds. And I also have some home style soft taco flour tortillas. Okay. Letting you know that you do not have to use the flour tortillas. You can also use the corn tortillas as well. And we're also using some Mexican style shredded cheese. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our enchilada casserole. Okay, in this large skillet, we are browning up our ground beef. Make sure to break your ground beef up as much as you can because you don't want, big pieces of ground beef in your enchilada. So break it up as small as possible. Okay, as you can see, our ground beef has started browning. Okay, we're going to continue browning our ground beef until we see no pink. We don't want any pink in our meat. So we're going to continue to brown it. Okay, and then we're going to be right back. Okay, this is what we're looking for. I am examining my meat to make sure there isn't any pink in it, and it isn't. Okay, now we're going to go to our next step. Here I'm going to use this strainer and we're going to drain our ground beef and we're going to be right back. We have drained it and now it's time to return it back into our skillet. Now we're adding in our low sodium mild taco seasoning. And we're going to mix our seasonings in well. Make sure to mix in the seasonings evenly because we want a full flavor throughout our enchiladas. Here we're adding in some water, or you can use beef broth. The reason why I don't use beef broth because you got to be very careful or your enchiladas will be salty. So I prefer just using just plain water in mine. But it's all up to you. Make this recipe yours. I only use a small amount of water at a time. I put approximately 1 cup of water in this seasoning meat because we don't want our taco meat to be dry. So we add as much water as we can, but still we don't want too much water. Then that will dilute our seasonings because we want our enchiladas to have a real good flavor to them. When you're cooking, always taste to see if it has enough seasoning or it needs something else. Like I was just trying this and tasting it to see if it had enough water and or it wasn't moist enough. That's why you always taste. After tasting it, everything was on point. So now we're gonna let this simmer for maybe a couple of minutes, and then we're going to our next step. Now, while our meat is still simmering, we're going to prepare our casserole dish. Here we're spreading in some of our enchilada sauce. Make sure to Make sure the bottom is fully covered with the sauce because we don't want our enchiladas to stick at the bottom. Now it's time to roll up our enchiladas, and I'm going to show you the way that I do it. And then my daughter Amanda is going to show you how she rolls hers up. So whichever way you prefer, you do it, okay? Okay, here we're adding a little of our enchilada sauce to our taco meat. This adds more flavor, and plus this keeps our enchiladas from being dry. We're giving this a quick stir, and now we're going to put together our enchiladas. Okay, this is my way of rolling my enchiladas. I put my meat down first, and then I add the cheese. And now we're going to roll it up and place it in our casserole dish. Placing our opening side down. And I'm going to do it once more. Put my meat down. And then my cheese. And we're going to roll this and place it in our dish. Okay, this is my daughter Amanda. This is how she does hers. So whichever way you want to do it, you do it the way you want. She spreads her cheese down, and then she adds her meat, and then she rolls them. She was a great help to me that day. She wanted to help Mother out. She's going to finish rolling these up, and then we're going to be right back. And now she's adding the meat on top of the enchiladas. Like we say, we're making this into a casserole. So you spread your meat around, your leftover meat, and this make the enchiladas so good. She's going to finish putting the leftover meat on our enchiladas, and then we're going to go to our next step. Now we're adding the remainder of our enchilada sauce onto our enchiladas. This is what makes the enchiladas so delicious. It gives it so much flavor, and then you don't have to worry about your enchiladas being dry. This is so delicious. I wish I can share this casserole with everybody. Here she's adding some cheese on top of the enchiladas, and it's all up to you on how much to use. Now we're going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 20 minutes, and then we're going to be right back. Okay, y'all, our enchilada casserole is ready, and we're going to plate this up to show y'all how they turn out. Hope y'all enjoyed cooking with us as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I've got a question. What would you serve with this enchilada casserole? Please leave your comment below. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. I want to thank everybody for your thoughts and prayers because Miss Brenda D is back. I got a new set of eyes and I can see well, y'all. Yes. Okay. As always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and our family.
a hit.